Today in this video, I'll show you one method using which you will be able to generate PowerPoint presentation using any of the LLM tool. And you don't need to rely on any of the paid plan, anything. This particular method I'll show you using Claude, but you can use this particular method in Copilot, you can do it in ChatGPT or any other LLM tool which can generate code. So let me show you very quickly what am I talking about. Currently, I'm in Google homepage and there I have one tab open, and that's for Claude AI. I'll add the link in the description below. It's just claude.ai. You can type, you can use your Google credentials to log in. So currently you can see I'm using a free plan. I don't have a paid plan here. So this is the interface. What I do here, I'll just paste one prompt which I copied earlier, that I would like to create a PowerPoint presentation. Give me the structure of it. And once I click on this button, then it will create the structure for that particular presentation, and then we'll be able to take this thing further based on this particular structure. Now, if you already have a structure and you already have certain plan, so that also you can create. In fact, you can utilize this text and you will be able to add some of the modifications. If you want to do all those things, you can do, and we can go to our next step to produce the PowerPoint presentation. So you can see this is the structure it generated and it's still doing it. It's for going for slide 16 also. So all this text it generated. Now I'll use one prompt using which it will generate VBA code for me, and for that we don't need to know a single line of VBA code. Let me use the prompt and show you what's the next step. So let me type my prompt. So what I typed here, please give me VBA code to generate this PowerPoint presentation. So that's my prompt. Let me also copy it I can also use it later. And if I click on this particular button, then it will start generating the code for us. Now one thing we need to understand here, it will generate the code. We'll copy it from here and we'll paste it in the PowerPoint to generate our presentation. So in case you get any of the error, I will show you the options using which how can you troubleshoot that also. But this is one way utilizing which you will be able to use any of the LLM tool. You will be able to generate this code and your PowerPoint will be always ready. There are multiple different tools available on market which are normally paid and you need to spend some money. While they have some additional features, but if you are looking for a basic PowerPoint presentation, so this is the way you can start working. So now you can see it generated the code. It's also giving us the step-by-step way how can we utilize this particular code. So what I'll do, I'll click on copy this code. Then I'll go to PowerPoint. This is already open, and there I'll press Alt F11. So this is important, and then this VBA console will open. Now once you open this particular console, don't think much because I am also not very good in coding, so you also don't need to be. I'll just right click here. I'll click on insert module and then I'll paste the code here. Now we have one option. I can just click on this run button and it will run. Now there are only two things can happen. Either it will throw an error or it will generate the PowerPoint presentation. So let's see what happens here. If I click on this button, now you can see it's showing presentation created successfully with 16 slides. Now this is a good part that it created in one shot. Now if you get an error, what will happen? So let me click on OK and let me talk about those errors first before I check this PowerPoint presentation. Think about if you get an error, okay, this is a runtime error, this is the number. Just note that runtime error and the number, and it will also show you which specific line you are getting that error. Then you copy that particular line, you go back to Claude, you mention I am getting this runtime error with this code, and this is the line where I am getting this error. Give me a revised code which I can just copy and paste in PowerPoint again, and it will regenerate the code for you. That's the way you should troubleshoot. Let me know if you are facing any problem in the comments below, then I'll also be able to help till the extent I can. So now if I come back and I go to PowerPoint, then you can see this is the presentation it generated. So this is the first slide, this is the second, in all those things. Now this looks bit generic, right? And this doesn't look good at all. So for that, what we'll do, we'll go to design tab, we'll go for this particular themes and we'll choose any of the theme. Maybe this is the one. And now you can see that entire slide deck got changed. So using the design and available themes, we can change the theme and the color, everything of the entire slide pack. Now, if you need to change any specific slide, if you select that slide in the right pane, you will be able to see there is a designer pane and there multiple different options are there. So if you are not happy with all these options, you can also click on see more design ideas. Then it will show you few more options. So from here, you can choose any of them. Maybe if I use this particular option, so then only this particular slide will get changed. So there are two ways. So using the themes under design, you will be able to change look and feel of the entire deck. And if you want to change anything for the specific slide, that you can just click on and this designer pane will open. So this is the way you will be able to change the design of your slide. This method will work using any of the LLM tool, whatever you want to use. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Will it be useful, not useful? Accordingly, I'll plan my upcoming videos. Now, this method is good to generate basic level of PowerPoint presentation. If you want to generate stunning PowerPoint presentation with the next level of clarity and detail, then check out this video to know everything about it.